everyone, so today I'm going to do the TMI tag, and I think I started my channel so late, but now that I have and it's been a few weeks, I think you guys deserve to get to know me a little better. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be reading out the questions from the phone. What are you wearing? Well, I'm wearing these Forever 21 jeans. This jacket is from Bangkok and my top is from Life, and also my chappals are Michael Kors. Ever been in love? I think I fall in love with inanimate objects every day. Ever had a terrible breakup? Yes. How tall are you? If I answer this, I would probably have to kill half the people because they keep making fun of me. I'm actually 5 feet dot. How much do you weigh? 40. It fluctuates between 42 to 44 kgs. Any tattoos? Yes, I have 3 tattoos. I have love and live, and I have a tattoo on my back which is a sword with a gold wine, and they kind of mean a lot to me. So live is actually for my friend who passed away and he really wanted to live, and we sort of give away our lives so easily. So I got live written, and love because I actually believe there's a lot of love in this world, and when you lose hope, these are like my constant reminders. So live because I have to live, and love because love exists. And my tattoo on my back is a sword with the gold wine, which is my parents' names in symbols. Any piercings? I just have my ear piercings. I had a nose piercing, but I closed it because I got bored of it. OTP, Richard Castle and Kate Beckett, I think they're perfect. Favorite show? Castle, but I also like The Living Room, that's Kenny's show. Favorite band? I think my taste in music is like really weird because I've always had phases, but my favorite bands can be Backstreet Boys and Bullet for My Valentine. I know they're like different genres, but I love all of them. Something you miss? My friend who I got this tattoo for. Favorite song? I think my favorite song is Chandelier by Sia. How old are you? I'm turning 18 in like 3 months. Zodiac sign, I'm born on March 11th, so I'm a Pisces. Quality you look for in a partner? I think somebody who's not judgmental. I think that's my only priority. Favorite quote? Live and let live. That's the one I live by. Favorite actor? I don't have any favorite actors. No, none at all. Favorite color? Red, purple and black. That's it. Loud music or soft? Like I said, my taste in music is like really weird. So I like Chandelier, but I also love metal music, so loud and soft both. Where do you go when you're sad? In the hall because my dog sits there and I like sit with her and talk to her. How long does it take you to shower? Not more than 20 minutes. How long does it take for you to get ready in the morning? Maybe not more than half an hour, but that depends where I have to go as well. So if I'm going out like for a party and for a long day, I'll do my makeup, and that takes me about 45 minutes. Ever been in a physical fight? Almost every day at CST. I literally get into fights every day. But yeah, I fought a lot with my sister when we were young. We used to pull each other's hair and everything. Turn on. A good sense of humor. Turn off. I think someone who wouldn't get me. The reason I joined YouTube. So I started my channel like really late, and I've been blogging for 2 years, and I thought, you know, the tutorials that I do on my blog will be better explained in video, and this thought has been there for about a year. But thanks to Sherry and thanks to YouTube, I think I got motivation and I started my own channel. Fears. I don't fear death, but I fear losing someone I love. The last thing that made you cry. I think 3 days back I was just having one of those thinking sessions and I cried. Nothing in specific. Last time you said you loved someone. I told my cat I loved him in the morning. Meaning behind your YouTube name. My YouTube name is my own name, but my YouTube link is my blog name. That's Fash Honey. Last book you read? Accounts. HEC Commerce Accounts. The book you're currently reading? HEC Economics. But coming to the other side, the novels, I'm currently reading The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini, which I absolutely love. I think I'm reading it for the 2nd time. Last show you watched? I saw Impractical Jokers in the morning, comes on Comedy Central. I love it. Last person you talked to? Okay, the guy who's shooting my videos, Nilair, and I spoke to him last like 10 minutes back. The relationship between you and the last person you texted. Wait, I'll have to see who I texted last. The last person I texted was Shalini. She's my best friend. Favorite food? Okay, I cannot pick between these two, but I absolutely love momos, and I love strawberry iced tea from McCafe. Place you want to visit. I've gone everywhere I wanted to. I did like this half world tour in 2005, and then I kept going to different countries every year since then. But I really want to go to Antarctica. I don't think it's possible, but I really want to. Last place you were. Like if you're talking about out of the city, I go to Mumbai every day. So Navi Mumbai and Mumbai are like different cities. Do you have a crush? Yes, absolutely. I love Kanan Gill. Oh my god. Okay, I can never fangirl over anyone except Superwoman and Kanan Gill, and I think I'm like the extreme fangirl. So I literally have a shirt that says, "Hi Kanan, last time you kissed someone." I kissed my cat in the morning, if that counts. Last time you were insulted. The last time I was insulted was day before yesterday when I went in the train and somebody not giving me place to sit, so I was like, okay, move, and then she's like, oh, there's no space and blah blah. This whole cat fight thing started. Favorite flavor of sweet, so I absolutely love cherry, and I have everything cherry. I have a lot of cherry candies. I love cherry coke. You don't get it in India. I literally bought cherry coke flavored chapstick because you don't get it over here, and I loved it. And yeah, so cherry is my flavor. What instruments do you play? I don't really play anything, but I did learn how to play the guitar. I know a few tunes here and there, but yeah, that's all. Favorite piece of jewelry. So there's this thumb ring I always wear, the black one. It's like really fat. I think that one. Last sport you played. Is running counted? Because I ran a bit yesterday. Last song you sang. Come and Get It by Selena Gomez. Like I think an hour back. Favorite chat up line. I don't really remember any. Have you ever used it? Like I said, I don't remember. Last time you hung out with anyone? The last time I literally stepped out of my house was for YouTube Creator Day. So there was Debashri, Magali, Karishma, Pranjali, there was Sherry. So yeah, that was the last time I even stepped out of my house. Who should answer these questions next? So I don't know a lot of people, but if you're watching this, I think you guys should do it. And if you're a new YouTuber and if you haven't yet done it, do it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and staying right till the end. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up, comment below and let me know about you guys. And also if you guys do this video, do let me know, tweet and let me know. Yeah, and subscribe to my channel please. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.